Okay, so we're back again, and now we're in it says builders. I'm just going to go back here so you see builders, drag and drop. We want to go into my sites, and I want to find this actual website because it's not automatically going to be active. So I'm going to scroll down. I've got a bunch of different ones here. It was test number 2. You don't see it here because it's inactive. So I want to click on edit. Wait a second. Actually, that's not what I want to do, but let me go back here. Let me do more options first. Hold on one sec. Here we go. And I want to click on publish to make it live. Okay, publish. There we go. Then I go down here, and I also have the option, we were talking about this earlier, to connect the domain. So I can actually connect this. I have a domain set up on the system. If I wanted to connect it to that, I could use a custom domain name. Okay, but this is going to take a little work, and if you're not tech savvy, you may not want to mess with this. It's really very easy. You're just changing the name servers, but you don't have to do this. Okay, you see now that this link is active. Because what we can do, and let's just click on this link. Let me just edit out here. Oops. Go back here, save, and let me just get out of these so I don't crash the computer again. Okay, so let's go over here, and we want to click on this here. Okay, and here we go. So there's that video that we put in here. And we set it to automatically play, so the video is on here. And we would put all our text and copy and change our background if we wanted, all the things that we've learned already. And if I'm coming in here just as a new person, let's just see if what's going to happen here. I click on Get Instant Access, and it's saying message sent successfully. I don't know why it's saying that, but it says here's your PDF. Okay, so now we're on the second page. Oh, okay, it's saying message sent successfully because it emailed me. Remember that thank you message? So once we hit that, it's going to email that to me. That's why it said successfully. So here we go here. Now we're in here. You can put a picture. You can customize this. So thank you so much. Here's your PDF. And I'm going to click on this. And if all works correctly, this should go to the PDF that we connected it to. So let's see if it's going to work. And if not, we'll have to figure out what went wrong. And actually, for some reason, this is not working. So let me go back, and this is just troubleshooting here. And let's go back to that page and see what happened. Because that should have hooked up to the ebook that we uploaded. So if that happens to you, that's why you test everything before sending it out. It's very simple. Going back here, I'm going to go to Action. Now we had done Document. For some reason, this didn't stick when we did this. Here's the ebook cover. I put that there. Okay. Let me just see what's going on here. Nope. See, that's probably what happened. For some reason, when I'm hitting this, it should automatically be bringing me, it's bringing me here, and this is the one I want to choose. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to hit confirm. And now that should work. Okay, so let's go back and let's see, hit the save button, because if we don't hit save, that's another thing. If you don't see this and then you go say, oh my gosh, it still didn't work. Okay, so now let's see, we were over here, and let's refresh this, and let's see if it actually worked. Okay, now let's see. And it's what it's doing is it's actually opening it up to my computer so I can actually save it right off from here. So let's go back here, or we can do save as, and that's not correct. So let's just see here. If I save this PDF, it's going right into my computer, and then I could re-upload it. It's not just popping up. Oh, now it's popping up. Okay, and here's some old ebook. I don't even know what this is that I grabbed. So I'm going to X out of here. Okay, so let me go back over here. And I guess that's the way it works with this, is that when you click on this, it's going to give you the PDF will pop up on your computer, but it's going to have you download it. So that'll work out fine. Okay, so the next thing we want to do, let me go back over here. Okay, so now we're seeing everything here where everything is, we know is working. I can see if I did get a thank you. This was the test. It worked. Came from me. After I had to redo it, in the thank you thing, I just put test to see if it would work. So here would be the thank you email. So the next thing we'll do is in the next video, set up the autoresponder system. But the first thing I just want to show you is when we're first coming to this page, let me go back to the main page. You can see I'd set my main name on this as Christina Rowe, and it says this is what the server's names are, omb10.com test2. So we don't really want to send out that link. So what I would do, the easiest way to do this, you could go to GoDaddy, buy a URL and redirect, or you can go to Bitly and you can just get a new link for it. So I have a Bitly account. I would go create Bitlink. It's just BITLY. I would paste it here. This long, and it's giving me, and I like to customize these. So I'm just going to call this opt-in funnel. I don't know if that's actually been taken. If it hasn't, it'll let me have it. If it won't, it'll say no, this has been taken. So let's see if that works. Nope, it's already taken. So opt-in funnel 1, let's say. Okay, so now when I go to this link here, I copy it, X out of this, and I paste it here. And now this is going to redirect to my test page. And there you go. You've got a fully functional funnel. So done very quickly. So in the next video, I'm just going to show you how to hook it up to like a MailChimp. There is something called MailBoss that comes with actually Builderall for free, which you can play around with as well. But if you're already using an external system, we'll go over that in the next video.